Jerusalem is a noisy city.
These bells are a remarkable testimony of God's faithfulness to the land of Israel.
Those bells were rung first in Easter 1898, celebrating the death, burial and resurrection of Jesus the Messiah.
Installed more than 100 years ago, our 8 Harrington tubular bells were silenced following restoration work on the Rectory that closed off the bell tower. But not long ago, by opening a small window, we discovered that our historic bells were still in tune as we tapped out Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound.
The history of bells is that they tend to be a point of connection between the church and the community, and that's the reason why the very first bell was established here at Christ Church in 1856. It was designed to alert people to the time that church services were going to be held.
We think that the tubular bells might make a very important statement here in this city.
These bells, throughout their history, are a remarkable testimony of God's faithfulness to the land of Israel.
The bells were rung for many years, but gradually fell into disrepair, and unfortunately they haven't rung for many decades now.
We invite you to participate with us in changing the soundscape of the old city of Jerusalem.
We cannot complete this restoration work alone. We need your vital support. So we are inviting you to join in this vision to once again hear these historic bells ring out God's praises over Jerusalem.